Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this multi-episode series, we're going to be at Eagle Rock Campground in Pioneer, Tennessee. We're going to be riding the Sunquist trails, and we're going to be checking out trails such as Trail 19. We've been there before. We had a tree down. Had to winch out. So we're going to go back and check that out. We're also going to hit Top of the World. We're finally going to take a trail that we couldn't take the year before. We're actually even going to break down and have to be towed. We're also going to be checking out Goad Motorsports because obviously they're going to be involved in this video also. We're going to be checking out a large waterfall, and we're finally going to be able to check out some elk. We're actually going to make it to the elk viewing tower, and much more is going to go on in this multi-episode. So sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the video. Comment below. Have you ever been here before? Have you ever experienced any of this? Check it out. Now, some of our videos might not be for you, but most of our videos are geared towards people who are new or thinking about getting into the sport. We don't do any of that crazy hill climbs, things that cause our machine to break and cost a lot of money. We do regular trail riding. So if you know anyone that's interested in getting into side-by-side riding or just wants to see regular trail rides, please like, share, subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Now, let's get on with the video. So on today's video, we are at the elk viewing tower. We may start the video out this way. If not, I'm going to delete this video. But we're at the elk viewing tower, and somewhere out there you're going to see some elk, and somewhere out there we think it was a deer. We did have to put the drone up. We did see it first, but then we put the drone up, kept the drone high enough so it didn't affect them. But yeah, this is it. It's pretty cool. You are a good bit up. But just want to let you know that just might be in today's video. Alright, welcome back everybody. Thank you for watching last week's video. Of course, we left you right here on this trail. So we're actually picking it up. Trail 35. This is a trail we couldn't get done on the way to the elk viewing tower. This is at the top of here is where we had we didn't even get to see or anything. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So right now the video does no justice at the angle that we are in right now. I'm trying not to roll backwards, and trying right now I'm going into diff lock, so I am actually in 4-wheel drive and not 3-wheel drive. Okay, so right now I'm taking it out of diff lock just so we're not fully locked in the front end. So we're going to finish out the small bit of Trail 35, and we're going to take that to Trail 36, which will take us to 25. That will take us to the elk viewing tower. So what you're watching right now is very, very steep. I'm just trying to keep my speed up in case it was to get any steeper, which I can see right above there that it's going to get a little bit steeper. So I'm pretty much just concentrating watching the ground, making sure I don't break anything, and because we have never been this far. So if you're still watching, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, please. We try to show you what these trails look like. This one, it's just tough because you can't really see how steep this thing is. It is definitely off camber. If you look at the trees, you can kind of see that. But we're just putting along. Almost at the top. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Did it?
So we are on our way to the ELK viewing tower. As you saw, we actually made it up that. Now that is, we were unable to do that last year. Not really sure if it was because of fear or whatever. Basically, if you don't feel comfortable doing something, just go with your gut. There was only once I thought about we made the wrong decision, but sometimes you just gotta try it. Don't overdo it. So now, after a year, we are hopefully going to make it to the ELK viewing tower. So we'll see if we can get through all this potholes and stuff. All right. I gotta try to hit the off button without. Okay, so we're here at the parking area. This is Trail 25 parking area for the ELK viewing tower. We're just gonna skip to the good stuff, so you don't have to watch us walk all the way up this. All right, so we are walking up this long, whatever road. We are at, what are we, almost at the halfway? Almost at the halfway. Not really sure how long it is, but it's a hike. How long would you say? Did it even say? So, I'm gonna spin you around. So where we're at just about the halfway mark, it has this little building. So, which is good because it does look like, if you look up here, like it's getting ready to rain. So we've got this. I'm gonna put a picture up. But if you want, you can pause the video to read. There is the map, tells you where you are, where we started, and then it just pretty much tells you about different things. You just pause the video if you want to actually read something. Bald eagle. Right now the sun's gone in, so it's actually pretty cool. So a lot of these animals apparently are around here.
All of them.
All of them. I don't know much about whatever, except this little guy right there. Now that right there looks like an unhappy dude. That just looks like a mouse or something. Not really sure what the difference is between a mouse and a mole. If you want to read any of this, you can just hit the pause button. But we are going to start heading the rest of the way up to the ELK tower. I'm hoping to be able to get the drone up If we don't see any elk, maybe we can get some shots or something. But until then, we're gonna keep walking. You got anything to say there,
Nope.
young lady? No? Okay. All right. So what seems like took forever, we are actually here at the elk viewing tower. Long road to get here, but we're here. And then so for those of you that haven't been here before, it is a pretty good walk. It's not incredibly horrible, but there is the tower. It's actually pretty impressive. So I brought the drone to see what we can see up here. Hopefully there's a nice little breeze. I'm gonna flip you around. So here's what it looks like on the bottom. Piece of concrete over there or something over there. So we're gonna metal steps with some good tread on. Oh yeah, plenty of breeze up here. You probably hear it in the phone. All right. So we saw a few people that came up here. They said that they didn't get to see any elk or anything. Here's the view. Mountains all in the background there. Amy's going to sit down for about an hour. It's a hike. It's a hike uphill. All right, so we're gonna sit here for a little bit. Then we're gonna walk back to the side by side and figure out where we're gonna go next. So it's getting a little later in the day, but I guess we'll go ahead and. Anything you want to say? No? Check it out. See you on the next whatever part.
She's pretty. She's like nice and sleek looking.
All right, so we are still at the elk viewing tower, and we've got, these are deer right on the other side of the tree. All right, so for some odd reason, a lot of these are coming out right now. Like it's almost, what did I say, it's almost four? So you got these two over here.
That one's up again. Or that's another one. The other one's still laying down.
And then right there, you have one. And just to the left of that is one laying down.
In the shade.
Right there. And then the other one that's over here is still eating. But these two are the closest to us that we've seen. Okay, so this is where we're going to just show you the drone shots that we took of the elk. We do have some deer. We were at a very high altitude using 4-time zoom, so we could stay far enough away not to bother them. So we're going to thank you for hanging around. We're going to show you all this drone footage so you can take a look at exactly where we were, what it looks like around there, and appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we will see you on next week's video. Thank you for hanging out with us.